the elements in periodic table that are blocks. So there are 4 blocks. So the classification of block is based on the electron which is present in outermost subshell. For example, if an element has outermost subshell S, it will be present in S block. In this way, P, D and F block are present. We are going to discuss them in detail. Each element in a periodic table is represented by a box. In that box, there is a capital alphabet. The first alphabet usually taken as a symbol of that element. So this symbol, the symbol in the box give us some important information. For example, this is a symbol of hydrogen element. In this box, a symbol of H, capital H, give us information that this element is hydrogen. On the top, 1 is written. 1 means atomic number. Atomic numbers mean protons. It means that it has 1 proton. Next important information, at the bottom there is written 1.008. It means that it is the atomic mass, actual mass of an atom. So if you round get your atomic mass, we can also get it mass number from it. Okay, in hydrogen we know that there is a 1 proton only, so there is no neutron. Mass number is also 1. So in this way, all the elements are represented by small boxes in a periodic table. Now we are going to discuss blocks of periodic table. We have already discussed that there are 4 blocks in periodic table, which are S, P, D and F block. First of all, we will discuss S block. Elements of group 1A and group 2A, which are also called as group 1A elements are called alkali metals and group 2A elements are called alkaline metals, contain their valence shell electron in S subshell. It means that their outermost suborbital is S. Therefore, these elements are called S block elements. Okay, so it is group 1A and group 2A, which are present at the left side of periodic table, which can be easily seen in this diagram. These elements groups, these both groups are called S group element because all the element in these two groups have their outermost valence subshell is S. So that's why the whole elements of these two groups is named as S block elements, or also we can also call them S series, S element series. P block. The elements from 3 to 8A except helium are known as P block element. Okay, students, not the center one. In periodic table, if we go toward at the right side, there is a P block and the groups present in this block are from 3A to 8A. But there is a one exception, which is helium, which is present at the top right side. It is not included in P block because there is a reason that the outermost subshell of helium is S. But there is a question, if its outermost suborbital is subshell is S, then why this helium is located here? The reason is that we know that the outermost shell of helium is completed. It has properties of noble gases, so that's why the noble it is placed on group 8. In group 8 there are noble gases, so that's why it is placed here. But in this block it is not included in terms of block, but it is present here in terms of a group. It is part of, because the property, it has the properties of group 8 elements, so that's why it is placed here. Next is D block. In the diagram, we can easily see that D block is present between S block and a P block. The D block elements are also called transition elements. These are metals. Basically, all the elements are metal. Drum elements from group 1b to